G'day, Harvey here. Just been working on a lunch hour project for the automated brewery build, so I thought I'd show you some of the stuff that's going on. A couple of projects to have a look at today. Let's check it out. So first one is the set of scales, which is going to go underneath my Grainfather Sparge water heater. What I'd like to do is to be able to just have the automatic system fill up the Sparge water heater to whatever volume I need for the recipe, which might be 16 litres or whatever it happens to be. So I've done the plumbing. I've got a solenoid valve which can do the filling, and now I just need to have it stop when it gets to the correct level. And so to do that, I've got the set of scales which goes underneath it. This is built on these load cells, which are 10 kgs each, so this will take a maximum capacity of 40 kg, which is heaps, for an 18 litre pot. And I've connected that up to a Raspberry Pi, and then I've got a node server over here, and then I've got a little web browser that I've built a little application for. And so the concept is you just start filling and the web browser updates. So I've got a 2 litre bottle there, another 2 litre bottle, another 1 litre bottle, and so on. So yeah, that seems to work really well. People say that over time it gets less accurate if you've got stuff sitting on the scale for a couple of hours. I've found over the course of an afternoon it'll lose or gain maybe 100 grams, 200 grams, which is not really a huge problem for this application. So I haven't live tested it, but maybe then on the weekend I'll give that a blast and see how it actually works. But on the test bench, it's working great. Now, second project is a little hop addition thing. So the idea of we've got this swing arm, and this will have probably 4 of these little pots attached to it, which have got the hop additions for the brew, and they're sort of lined up at 60 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 0 minutes, whatever. Got one of these little cheap servo motors. These are a couple of bucks each for one of these. Connect up to an Arduino, which runs Johnny 5, which is a software library. It's connected to the Raspberry Pi. That's got a node server running on it, and that's got my web page on it. So you click on the hop or cat biscuit additions that you want. The idea is, there'll probably be 4 of these buttons while I'm playing with it manually, but eventually it'll be totally automated. So you click on that button. Oh, hang on, I've got to put the hops on there. It's funny, the cat was going bananas before while I was tipping all these biscuits around. He was meow, meow in the background. Right, so we click that button, and it dumps those into the brew kettle, and then resets itself. So, yeah, this has taken me just under an hour to put together, so needs a little bit of refinement, but so far I can see this working. That was a 40 gram load of biscuits. Yeah, don't know how this cheap little servo would deal with like a big 100 gram dump, but I don't really do that kind of brewing anyway. I'm more sort of lagers and lightly hopped stuff. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Cheers.